Around 12:45 p.m., Valley officers from the Albuquerque Police Department were dispatched to a shooting at a construction site for a new single-floor apartments on the 120 block of La Plata Road, northwest. When APD officers arrived, they reportedly discovered a male who had been shot at least once. He was critically injured and died on scene. We observed neighbors standing out in their yards watching the incident unfold. A witness on scene told our reporter that the shooting stemmed from a domestic incident. Also while on scene, we saw a female that was handcuffed with blood on her face. Homicide detectives and investigators are being called out to the scene to find out what happened. If we learn more about this, we will update you. You can find those updates on abqraw.com. Follow us on all of our social media channels, and stay safe, Albuquerque.